How to set intentions that will guide you to success. Creating a change requires self-compassion and bravery to know how to make the intentions that set us up for success. The more actively we focus our goals, the more effective we are at obtaining our desired outcomes. Integrating the collective strength of our unconscious and aware minds means that we can channel all our resources, our entire self, when it comes to manifesting change. The next 10-step process is something I'm calling activation meditation. Activation meditations are designed to help you access your innate knowledge and guide your change. Here are 10 steps to set intentions for success. Step 1. Ask yourself, what's not working? Step 2. Imagine, what do you want to feel? When you've figured out your current goal, transform that into an affirmation. Affirmation is written in the first person and the present tense. It always starts with I am. For example, I am powerful and relaxed. Step 3. Check in with your intuition. What's your gut instinct telling you about the intention you've chosen? Our intuition interacts with us through our bodies all the time. Is your new intention what you want? How do you know? What does this intention make you feel about it? It's best to listen to our intuitions since our motives are so intimate. Stage 4. Imagine a symbol reflecting the way you want to feel. This is a move that most people skip and is thus the most essential one. Research indicates that visualization is even more effective when we have access to all our senses. Your symbol may be an entity, an object, a color, a sign, something you've seen before, or something new you've created in your mind. Most people don't visualize easily, and instead, they might either associate their intention with a sound or a smell. Step 5. Visualize your symbol in your heart. Imagine bringing the symbol that reflects your new intention to the top of your head. Then imagine bringing it down from the top of your head to your heart. You can do this easily by literally shutting your eyes or in the form of meditation. Step 6. Choose an aligned action. When you are still in a relaxed state, ask yourself, what is the particular way, a quick improvement, may I create to manifest my intention? Step 7. Connect your action with an existing habit. The concept is to start gradually and focus on areas where you are already achieving progress. Instead of finding a new window on your calendar to add a new habit, add something to what you're always doing. Step 8. Brainstorm more ideas. Brainstorm new ways in which you will integrate your current intention into your life. Always visualize the symbol as you do. This will help override any inner resistance you may have to the new behavior. Step 9. Connect with your symbol and intention often. Imagine your symbol when you go through the actions of your day. It increases the probability that your goal will grow and have a beneficial effect on certain facets of your life as well. Step 10. Check in and celebrate successes. Check up on yourself at the end of the day to see how good you did. Celebrate your achievements and conduct regular check-ins. Start by having a ritual where you check in with yourself in the morning and before you sleep, at the same time imagining your symbol and repeating your affirmation. It will help you keep your momentum moving and help you find new ways to fine-tune the way you're integrating your intention into your life. However, our intuition is the secret to set intentions and making them successful. Remember, within you, there is wisdom and positive energy that is always trying to help you create whatever is in your highest good. Enjoyed the video so far? Don't forget to press the like button. It greatly helps out the channel. Also subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more content like this.